With the fresh, bright flavors of pineapple, garlic, and ginger, this one-pan Huli Huli chicken is a winner. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making an easy and delicious Huli Huli Hawaiian BBQ chicken dinner. Aloha! Huli Huli chicken is typically chicken that is cooked or grilled and then basted with a sauce or glaze that has pineapple juice and other ingredients that add a nice, fresh, bright Hawaiian flavor. For my sauce, I have some pureed pineapple. I had canned crushed pineapple and I used my food processor to puree. Adding in some ketchup, brown sugar, or you can use honey, low-sodium soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar, giving that a good stir to combine. For the chicken, I'm using cubed, bite-sized boneless chicken thighs, and you can use chicken breasts. I'm adding a little oil to my medium-high heat pan along with the chicken and cooking for 5 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is done and then removing from the pan. Don't worry about all the tidbits and coating on the bottom of the pan. That will add flavor when we add the sauce. I have my heat on a medium and now I'm adding in the diced onions and bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and then I'm adding in the fresh diced pineapple. Next is the minced garlic and ginger. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds to combine, and then I'm adding in the sauce. This is smelling so good and I can't wait to eat. Bringing this up to a simmer, cooking and stirring for about 10 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Remember to give it a taste test for any seasonings that you may want to add. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. At the end, I'm adding in the chicken and all the juices, stirring to combine and heating the chicken through, and we are done. Tonight I'm serving with some black jasmine rice. The earthiness of the rice is a nice texture and flavor contrast to the Huli Huli sauce. I hope you give this Huli Huli Hawaiian BBQ chicken a try and enjoy. Aloha! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!